Hello, uh, myself is Dr. G.S. Kadekar, Professor and Head Department of Mathematics and Dean Faculty of Science and Technology, Rashtrasant Tukadoji Maharaj Nagpur University. Today we gather here for the very good webinar is organized by the Santaji Mahavidyalaya Nagpur. So good morning all the teachers, researchers and my dear friends. First of all, I am very much thankful and grateful the organizer, Dr. Mrs. Priya Vanzari, Madam, Principal Santaji Mahavidyalaya Nagpur, patrons, Honorable Sri Dinesh Vanzari, President of Santaji Mahavidyalaya, Santaji Section Vikas Sanstha Nagpur, convener of this program, Dr. Ranjita Lunare, HOD Botany Department, co-convener of the program, Mr. Roshan Kamanwar, HOD Microbiology, for organizing this interdisciplinary national webinar on the occasion of World Environmental Day. This program is an interdisciplinary nature's environmental resource management in quest of sustainability and biodiversity. This is the name of the total webinar. And today we gather here for this wonderful day, that is the World of Environmental Day, the World Environmental Day. As we have gathered here online to celebrate the World Environmental Day, I would like to speak on the environment to increase the awareness among public about the negativity changing environment. Stop. As today, the whole world under the pandemic of the COVID-19, and we are assembled here for these beautiful occasions of the World Environmental Day that is celebrated on 5th of June every year. I would like to say a few words dedicated to the environment. The environment is the surrounding made from 5 elements, namely air, water, land, sky, and fire for us to flourish. As I am working on the theory of gravity, being the man of mathematical physics, I know that the structure of whole structure of the universe. I know that what is the universe and how many planets is moving in our galaxy, in our solar system, and what is the nature of the planet. That I am doing my research on this related topic. So that's why I know the climate conditions of each and every planet in our solar system. As you know that we lie on the beautiful planet that is called Earth, having different types of surroundings called environment, within which we can eat healthy, breathe freshly, and live safely. Hence, it has been always said that only on the planet Earth has the most favorable climate condition that help us to survive. So this is the very important thing. It's the only planet in the world, in the universe, or in the whole things, that the life condition is there. You can survive only on the Earth. And that's what we say, that it is the planet, that planet is a beautiful planet. We should be very grateful towards the Earth that we have been provided with such great environment that has everything its nature which help us to thrive. But day by day we are running in on its highest pitch that will eventually lead us towards our destruction. One of the recent problems the world we are going to face, that is called the COVID-19. According to the research, it is found that the perennial snow mountain of the Tibet were totally covered by a thick snow in the past. However, the thick snow are getting very thin day by day over the last few decades because of the global warming. And such condition is very dangerous or danger situation and conditions of end of life on the earth which need to taken very seriously by all countries worldwide. It is very true that the climate changes goes very slow. However, slow continuous process is very dangerous. My dear delegates, my dear teacher, my dear participant, because of the regular changes in the environment, physical structure of the human beings and other living species has been changed from the generation to generation. Increasing human population need more land for agriculture, cultivation, and living purpose, which from them to cut more trees and forest. So the deforestation has its own dangerous side effects. Increasing level of industrialization has countless harmful effects on the atmosphere, and because of the poisonous chemical emissions and dangerous wastage drainage in the big water sources such as Yamuna, Ganga, and other rivers. The every changes negatively environment is not the issue of only some countries or government. It is the issue of whole human fraternities because we all are the reason of this negatively decline environment. So we all are responsible to save our natural environment for the healthy survival of life on the earth. Protecting the atmosphere is the matter of high importance for all the present and the future generations of mankind. So I am sharing a very important things about the environment. The main purpose of my speech today over the environment is only to increase the public awareness among common people about the reason of declining environment as well as need of healthy and natural environment for the life on the earth. So it is my humble request to all of you that please contribute to save your environment. Various types of environmental populations such as water populations, air population, noise population, soil population, etc. are disturbing the ecosystem and causing variety of healthy hazard to the human beings and animals. Environmental population is damaging the ecosystem and destroying the delicate balance of the natural ecosystem. So nowadays, environment population is the matter of great concern and consideration for which we all together follow some effective steps and carry on until problem gets solved completely. We should understand the importance of the natural environment and try to reduce our non-eco-friendly activities and imperatively plant as many trees as we can and save water. That is the two biggest issue about the environment. So I will not take more time, and I am really grateful to the organizer who give me this opportunity to say some things about environment as a chief guest in this function. So I am really thankful to the organizer of this conference, organizer of this event, and Santaji Mahavidyalaya Shikshan Sanstha chairman and the principal of the college. And thank you all of you. Thank you. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.